Hi guys, a show and tell. This is for a while back, but basically I've decided that I need to catch up on the videos. This is a shout out for Nature Hunter for what she sent me, as in when she was doing the Nature Hunter gift bags or whatever it was called, the goodie bags, a way back when she was doing them. And basically, this is the coins she sent me. That's a euro coin. That's the first one. And that's the second one. As you can see, that's the one that's worth a lot of money, as in it's worth like £15 on its own. And then the rest of them are like €2. They've all got different. It's not. They are for sale, but I do it through the markets, and I just thought I'd let you see some of the goodies I've got on offer for the market. As you can see, and as I said, I wanted to do a shout out for Nature Hunter, and that was a wee gift she gave me too, as in a 20-cent coin. I just thought I'd catch up, guys, do a show and tell. That's Nature Hunter, and hopefully she does quite a lot more when she comes back from her holidays or wherever she's been for a while. I haven't seen her for a good long while, and hopefully she's okay, and hopefully she had a good Christmas and a good New Year. And that's another video done.